Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to use the Nightlight or eye comfort mode. So basically we will begin with the customization of the mode and then I'll show you much faster access to it which you can use on a daily basis. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll in order to find the display. So let's tap. And now let's scroll down to the color. As you can see on the very first position we've got the Nightlight, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. Of course we can turn it on without the customization, just tap on the switcher here. And as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then this option is the best for you. It will simply make the usage of this device much easier and more comfortable. So of course you can leave it like this, but if you'd like to customize it, just tap on this Nightlight. And as you can see right here, we've got the intensity switcher. So by going to the left with it, we can make it much cooler, and I would say it's almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer, it's almost orangish in real life. Of course, set it just like you want to, pick the option which is most comfortable for you. You can pick also the schedule. So right now we've got the none option, which simply means that we can turn on and off the Nightlight manually, not automatically. We can turn it on at custom time, which simply means that we will pick the particular time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably work-based. So for example, after tapping on the custom time, you can see that we've got the start and the end time, so we can freely pick it just like you want to. Tap on OK, and as you can see, the screen will automatically and immediately change the colors. It is of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn it off, let me set none, and that's basically the whole customization of the Nightlight. So as I said, right now I'd like to show you much faster access to it, because after the customization, thanks to the fastest way, you won't have to go through the settings and so on. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and as you can see, we will be transferred here, but we do not really need it. Probably in your case the Nightlight will be also, let's say, on the second page. If not, if for some reason you cannot find the Nightlight, no worries, just tap on this edit icon here and scroll down. And right here you will have the icons which are not currently set on this panel, so you can find it. Let's pretend that the wallet is my Nightlight, so simply tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first section in order to actually apply it to the panel. But let me get back, and as I said, right here we've got the Nightlight icon. Currently it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will get back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode or the Nightlight in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.